Hello! So, welcome to Bohol. At least we're here in Bohol. First time doing this kind of vlog. I don't know what the content will be. Definitely, if there's food, papakita ko yun. Let's see how it goes. So, it's first day. We're here sa Natural Vista. We saw it in YouTube actually, some reviews. So, we wanted to go here and it's just a nice place. So, I like it. It's small, pero it's cozy. Nagkataon lang na naabutan namin ang brown out. For today lang daw. Yan. So, anyway.
First dish, minanggahang manok. Then we have grilled pusit. Nagkanyanda kami ng french fries. Then for dinner, we had halang-halang. So yung nagustuhan namin yan. Of course, our favorite nga dito sa Manila, ang butter garlic chicken. Hindi na mawawala. So that's it for Natural Vista. Also, Natural Vista is around 3 to 5 minutes away from the beach. Lalakad ka halang-halang, kalabas, then diretso. Then you'll find the beach already yan. So you probably like it there.
Welcome, day 2, Bohol. After the ATV in Chocolate Hills, dito kami sa ito ka tawag dito, para makita yung mga Chocolate Hills. Kalimutan ko tawag doon. Anyway, it's a good experience. Masarap yung ATV, nakakapawis lang, you need to siguro dapat mag shorts na lang kayo and shirt if you're going to the ATV, and bring extra shirt kasi may init talaga. Dito kami nga sa Shear. 5 lang yung nandito. Malapit na rin na sila mag-close. Mga 4:50 na pala ngayon. So, masaya naman. Saglit lang kami dito. Ayan.
Dinner namin sa Bohol Bee Farm. Pakinain namin sa Kuwali, Ginawin, Iko, and ulit, halang-halang. Ito na talaga namin yan.
We have day 2. We have transferred here in Modala Resort. Yan. Yan. Diba? Dali. Mamaya, beach dito eh. Ayan. Alright, so this is our room. Gulo pa ng buhok ko, grabe. So, yan yung entrance. Yun din. Ito yung bathroom. Okay. Sorry. First time doing this. Pagkain na talaga ang gusto ko yung vlog. Okay. Yung shower. Ayun. Then, ito yung bedroom. May pa-happy birthday pa. Happy birthday sa aking misis. Ayan, nag-text siya. Hello ka naman dyan. And, of course, dito naman tayo sa balcony. Pwede pa itong maano. Hindi naman kami ocean view. Pero okay na rin. Konting na lang. Ocean na. Dagat na. Okay. So, dito talaga tayo pa sa pagkain. So, pagkakain na kami, video ko lang ulit. Hello, good morning. It is our last day in Bohol. Mamaya alis na kami. So we had a great 4 days, 3 nights. We spent it in Natural Vista, and the last 2 days we spent it in Modala. Thank you for being with me all throughout this whole video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos as well. We're going to Bohol! On the plane to Bohol. Hello, welcome to Bohol!